The semiotic sign that we as illustrators and designers want to use to communicate the concept represents something to the audience. How designers and illustrators represent the concept controls how the audience interprets it. How the concept is represented by designers and illustrators puts in the audience's mind a picture of what they think it is about. An idea, a concept. Now that concept the audience interprets, if semiotics is being used effectively by designers and illustrators, should connect back to the message. If you understand who your intended audiences are and what the audience will and what they won't know from their experiences, then illustrators and designers can semiotically craft their designs and illustrations to